Did you know that one bottle of diesel additive can be the difference between an engine that runs like a brand new machine and one that breaks down thousands of miles too soon? That's the reality diesel owners face. Some additives are miracle workers, cleaning and protecting your engine better than you'd imagine. But others, they're basically chemical grenades waiting to go off inside your fuel system. In this video, we're breaking down 5 diesel additives that genuinely work, and 3 that could quietly destroy your engine if you're not careful. And the first one on our list might already be sitting on the shelf at your local gas station. Additive number 1, How's Diesel Treat Anti-Gel. If you live anywhere that winter hits hard, you already know the fear of diesel fuel gelling. At around 15 degrees Fahrenheit, -9 degrees Celsius, regular diesel fuel can start to cloud up. Push a few degrees colder, and it gels into a waxy sludge that clogs filters and fuel lines. Your diesel car isn't going anywhere. How's Diesel Treat Anti-Gel is designed specifically to fight this. It lowers the cold filter plugging point, which means your fuel keeps flowing smoothly even in deep winter. Diesel vehicles crossing the northern states swear by it because it prevents downtime, and downtime costs money. But there's more. Modern ultra-low sulfur diesel lacks the natural lubricity older fuels had. That lack of lubrication is brutal on injectors and fuel pumps. How's adds back the lubricity, giving vital moving parts the slick coating they need. It's simple. A bottle of How's before a snowstorm can mean the difference between getting home or paying for a tow truck at 3 a.m. But while How's protects against the cold, the next additive tackles something you can't see at all: carbon buildup deep inside your injectors. Additive number 2, Stanadyne Performance Formula. Stanadyne is a name that carries serious weight in the diesel world. And why? Because this company isn't just selling additives. They literally built diesel injection systems, and they engineered this formula with their own components in mind. Stanadyne Performance Formula packs a triple punch. First, it cleans injectors, removing varnish and deposits that can cause misfires and hard starts. Second, it raises the cetane number, giving smoother, faster combustion. Higher cetane means easier cold starts, less smoke, and more complete burning of fuel. Third, it adds critical lubricity, which helps protect pumps and injectors from the dry fuel issues we just mentioned. Independent tests have shown Stanadyne can restore lost horsepower in high-mileage engines. Drivers often notice a quieter idle, quicker throttle response, and sometimes even a small boost in fuel economy. And here's where it gets interesting. Many fleet operators use Stanadyne regularly because cleaner injectors mean fewer breakdowns, and fewer breakdowns equal lower maintenance costs. But Stanadyne isn't the only additive that can transform how your diesel runs. Our next one uses German engineering to fight engine wear itself. Additive number 3, Liqui Moly Super Diesel Additive. Here is where German engineering steps into the game. Liqui Moly's Super Diesel Additive focuses on precision. It not only removes deposits from injectors and valves, but also raises the cetane number of the fuel. Why does that matter? Higher cetane means smoother, more efficient combustion, and less knocking. But its secret weapon is lubricity. Diesel engines operate under extreme pressure, and modern low-sulfur fuels don't always provide enough lubrication. Liqui Moly forms a protective film on critical parts, cutting down wear and tear. For high-mileage diesel cars and trucks, this can mean the difference between an injector pump that lasts 80,000 miles and one that survives 200,000. And while Liqui Moly protects from the inside, our next additive is all about tackling buildup where you can't see it, in the exhaust system. Additive number 4, Cataclean Diesel. Imagine this: your diesel feels sluggish, your fuel economy drops, and then the dreaded check engine light flickers on. The culprit? Carbon buildup in your catalytic converter or diesel particulate filter. That's where Cataclean Diesel steps in. It's designed to clean the fuel and exhaust system, from injectors all the way through to the catalytic converter. Users often pour it in right before emissions testing and notice smoother performance almost immediately. By reducing soot and carbon buildup, Cataclean helps lower emissions and restore lost power. But there's another additive that's become a legend among experienced diesel drivers, one that treats not just fuel but the entire system. Additive number 5, Hotshot Secret Diesel Extreme. With a name like Diesel Extreme, you know it's not messing around. This is one of the most concentrated heavy-duty formulas on the market. Hot Shot's Secret Diesel Extreme doesn't just clean the injectors. It scrubs the entire fuel system. Lines, pumps, combustion chambers, you name it. It also boosts satiety, adds lubricity, and neutralizes acids in the fuel. High-mileage diesel drivers who run hundreds of thousands of miles use it because it keeps engines running cooler, smoother, and quieter. In some independent tests, Diesel Extreme restored lost fuel economy by several percentage points and even brought back horsepower that engines had slowly lost over time. For many diesel owners, it's the go-to reset button. Use it every 6,000 miles or so, and it keeps everything in check. But here's the catch. While these 5 additives can extend the life of your diesel, there are some bottles you should never pour into your tank. Let's look at 3 that could destroy everything you've worked to protect. Bad additive number 1, chlorinated additives. Some cheap diesel oil treatments use chlorinated compounds to reduce friction. At first, it seems like they work. Your engine runs smoother for a while, but under high heat and pressure, those chemicals break down into hydrochloric acid. And acid doesn't care if it's touching your bearings, cylinder walls, or seals. It eats them alive from the inside out. What starts as a quick fix turns into long-term destruction. And that's not even the worst quick fix on the market. Bad additive number 2, stop leak diesel oil additives. Ever seen those little bottles that promise to stop oil leaks instantly? They work by swelling seals and thickening the oil. But here's the problem. Diesel engines rely on precise oil flow under massive pressure. Thickening the oil can clog passages, starve bearings, and crank up operating temperatures. Instead of fixing the leak, you've just created a time bomb inside your engine. And yet, there's still one more mistake that countless DIY diesel owners make without realizing it. Bad additive number 3, mixing multiple additives. It's tempting. Grab a few different additives, pour them all in, and hope they stack up for supercharged results. But chemistry doesn't work like that. Each additive is carefully balanced, and mixing them can cause chemical reactions that lead to foaming, sludge, or completely altered oil viscosity. Think of it like mixing random pills together. You don't know what the interaction will be until it's too late. In diesel engines, that too late usually means clogged filters, failed injectors, and repair bills in the thousands. Diesel additives can be a lifeline for your engine. The right ones clean, protect, and extend engine life, sometimes by hundreds of thousands of miles. But the wrong ones? They're silent killers, promising quick fixes while quietly tearing your engine apart. The lesson is simple. Stick to proven brands, use them as directed, and never treat your engine like a chemistry experiment. Because when it comes to diesel, a single bottle can mean the difference between a machine that runs strong for decades or one that fails when you need it most.